Nestled in the heart of the Preseli Hills, there is a beautiful and peaceful village called Brynberian. But the village wasn't always so peaceful. It used to be terrorised by a terrible and hideous water monster called the Afanc. This creature was half beaver and half crocodile, and it lived in the bogs underneath the Preseli Hills. In the night, it would crawl out of its bog and eat all of the crops and destroy all of the livestock. The villagers weren't happy, and they decided to do something about it. They went to see the local wise man, who told them that the only way to be rid of this monster was to use magic against it. But no one in the village knew a single magic spell, so instead they decided to trick the monster. They went to the Afanc and asked him to dig a well for them. In return, they would give him hot cowl every day, followed by a good helping of cake. The Afanc agreed, and the next day went to the village, and the villagers pointed out where they wanted the well to be dug. So he started digging and digging and digging, and when he was deep enough, the villagers started hurling down massive boulders of rock on top of him and buried him. Or so they thought. For the next day, the boulders were on the side of the well, and he was still digging. They decided to give up. But eventually, the Afanc died of natural causes, and the villagers decided to build him a tomb in the middle of the bog that you can still see today, just outside Brynberian.